Hi guys, it is that we are all well. Yeah, it is a beautiful day that we've been enabled to see, and we really thank God for that, right? Today I'm excited, and of course, you guys have always been there with us. I'm very happy to share this news that I'm privileged to be given a chance to serve as a mentor and supervisor under TAPEF program. Probably a majority of you, maybe you might not be aware of TAPEF program. TAPEF is simply a trainee accountant practical experience framework. Yeah. Of course, we've always stated this over and over again that when you are passing through this professional course, it is not always about exams. Yeah, that is what we've always been championing. That you know what, other than you just studying and pass exams, then after you pass exams, so what? So at this point, I'm so privileged, and we really thank God and to be given this opportunity to serve under TAPEF as a mentor and a supervisor. So let me explain what TAPEF entails. As I've mentioned, TAPEF is simply trainee accountant practical experience framework. Many a times, students, more so professionals, accountants, yeah, they'll go through a system of studying through their career without having any experience. And many a times, it is always a disaster at the end of the day. So what TAPEF will simply do, you'll find that TAPEF at this point is a trainee and a practical experience framework, which is championed by the Institute of Certified Public Accountants, which is ICPAK, and Kenya Accountants and Secretaries National Examination Board, which is KASNEB. So the framework will simply spells out practical experience requirement that all aspiring accountants are required to undertake as a maybe prerequisite, yeah, for admission into what? Into the institute. So you'll find that again, it is important to understand that this requirement is also anchored on the International Education Standard number 5, whereby it states that, of course, initial professionals development as well as the practical experience. So the standard simply recognize that practical experience, yeah, is very relevant in developing the competence of an aspiring professional accountant. Additionally, you'll find that what it will do, it will tend to promote, yeah, a greater flexibility, measuring practical experience. And at this point, it will also permit a supervisor to simply direct, advise, and assist now aspiring professional accountant. And that's where now we come in as mentors. That's where we come in as supervisors, whereby we will be guiding you. The moment you've decided that you want to take this route of a professional accountant, then that is where we will come in and guide you on the best way that you can achieve this goal. See, so by the time you are through with your accounting course, you not just be through for the sake of the paper and exams. No, through the guide of your mentor or your supervisor, you will be able to say that, at least I am or I was guided by my mentor or by my supervisor all through. And now, if at all I want to register with ICPAK, it will be very easy. Yeah, because of course we've taken you through a channel, we've taken you, of course, through what? Through a case. And that is very important for all aspiring accountants. So maybe you wish to know, how can you register as a trainee? How will you register as a trainee? What I'm doing, I'm sharing, of course, this link right away. just on the comment section or below this session, I'm sharing this link. Of course, it is a link that will direct you to do a registration as a trainee. Of course, we are several supervisors. So you can select the supervisor that you know, or you can select the supervisor probably that you can interact with, so that in the event that you want to, of course, register, or in the event that you want to be guided on specific areas, this supervisor will be there for you. So I've just shared the link where you can register as a trainee accountant. And on this link, remember, you can always, you can always tend to do what? You can always tend to make sure that at least you register as a trainee, then you select who? You select your supervisor. It will help you a lot, a lot, a lot. So that's what I wanted to share with you. And for us achieving this, it has all been your support and, of course, your trust and believe in us. That's why we've achieved all this. So from now on, should I say, you can call me Mentor CPA Ringo Frederick, right? Anyway, I just want to wish you, my desire has always been to see, of course, the quality, to see that you guys are not only passing these exams, but also you're gaining the practical skills and knowledge. That has always been my desire. It will always be my desire, so that even if it will not happen on my time, but it will reach a time whereby accountants will be like, you're not complaining that you're being paid peanuts. Let it reach a time whereby we will not be complaining, or accountants will not be complaining that they are being paid peanuts. That is where we will be heading. In addition to that, again, of course, another news, you can get us on Play Store, Marasa. Remember, we used to have the web platform which you can download it on your PC, or which you can download it on your phone directly. You can get it. You can get us now on a Play Store directly. And guys, for those who are doing block revisions, of course, I cannot mention to say this. If at all you've not taken our block revisions, I don't know what you're waiting for. If at all you've not created your account, I'll show you again how you can access, of course, what these revision of ours. I'm very sure they will help you guys a lot, a lot, a lot. You see, if at all you've not created your account under Marasa, kindly do that immediately. I'm very sure these revisions will always help you a lot. So all you need to do, of course, the link is app.marasa.com. Go to the link. Once you've created your account, you see, when you go to CPA, or at this point, you just search CPA. If you search CPA, come to this point, I need to refresh this. So when you search, when you're at this point, then you search maybe CPA, you come get started, you click start learning, you realize that we're having 3 options here. If at all you are interested on revisions, because you have coursework, whereby coursework you get all whatever that you've done for the whole semester. Like say, for example, you get everything that you've done for the whole semester up to this point, including revisions. For you who is interested on only revision, because you believe, of course, you have studied all through, right? This will be easy. You see, under this option here, you just come click revisions. If you click revisions at this point, whatever that has been uploaded so far, these are the units that have been uploaded. You get your revisions, and it is very easy to access. And I'm very sure all of us, of course, for those who are doing April exams, will always be smiling after the exams. So that's what I wanted to share with us. Thank you so much for that support, and wish you all the best. Now, because we have TAPEF, I'm expecting majority of you to be guided now, to be on under umbrella of the mentor of your choice. The best thing is that at least there will be quality of the accountants that we are releasing in the market. That's what I wanted to share. Wish you guys all the best. Wish you guys all the best, and of course, see you in our next segment.